I am decoding the biggest trend changing YouTube business and the rules of money. Agentic AI. It's not enough to just use AI anymore. You must make AI decide and act for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own agentic AI robots in 3 simple steps with no coding required and create a completely autonomous income stream. First up, let's talk about the social media manager robot. This is our first secret to building your AI agency. Imagine an AI that doesn't just suggest ideas but acts on them. That's agentic AI. Tools based on frameworks like AutoGPT can constantly scan the internet for the hottest trends in any niche. Once it identifies a viral topic, it doesn't just tell you about it. It automatically generates the content. It can write the script, find or create the visuals, and then, here's the magic. It posts everything autonomously at the absolute optimal time for maximum engagement. It's a complete analyze trend, create content, and post workflow, all running on its own. You're not just offering content creation, you're selling a fully autonomous social media service. You can package this for a fixed monthly fee, offering businesses a hands-off solution to stay relevant and grow their online presence. Think about it. While your competitors are still brainstorming, your AI has already executed and is moving on to the next trend. This isn't just efficiency, it's a competitive superpower. Setting this up is simpler than you think. You connect the AI to social media APIs, give it a clear goal like grow this account's followers by 10% this month, and let it work. It's like having a top-tier social media strategist who never sleeps, never gets creative block, and never asks for a raise. You just collect the monthly check. This is your first step to building a digital empire, one automated post at a time. Now for our second secret, the autonomous email sales robot. This is where agentic AI gets personal and profitable. We're talking about a goal-oriented AI robot designed specifically for email marketing and sales outreach. Forget generic email blasts that get ignored. This AI agent takes a completely different approach. It starts by analyzing a potential client's website. It doesn't just scan for keywords. It deeply understands their business, their services, and more importantly, their pain points. It identifies a specific need or a problem they're facing. Then it crafts a highly personalized, custom email draft addressing that exact need and proposing your client's solution. And here's the agentic part. It does all of this completely autonomously. It identifies the prospect, writes the email, and can even push the send button for you within your CRM. Imagine an army of these robots working for you, reaching out to hundreds of ideal clients with perfectly tailored messages every single day. You can sell this as a personalized sales robot service to marketing agencies and small to medium-sized businesses. And the best part? You can offer it on a performance-based commission model. You only get paid when your AI robots successfully generate leads or sales. This makes it a no-brainer for businesses. They get incredible results with zero risk, and you create a scalable income stream directly tied to the value you provide. It's a win-win, powered entirely by intelligent automation. Alright, let's unlock the third and final secret, the niche data analysis and reporting robot. This one is all about delegating the boring, repetitive, but critically important work of data analysis to an autonomous agent. Every business owner knows they need to track their performance, but who has the time to pull data from a dozen different platforms every single day? This is where your agentic AI comes in. Using integrations with tools like LangChain and ChatGPT, you can build a robot that automatically pulls your client's social media performance data every single morning. It can connect to their Facebook ads, Google Analytics, Instagram Insights, you name it. But it doesn't stop there. It then analyzes all that data, identifying key trends, successes, and areas for improvement. The real magic is the final step. It creates a concise, easy-to-understand report that doesn't just show numbers, but includes a concrete action plan. It will literally tell your client, your video ads performed 30% better than image ads this week. Action. Allocate more budget to video. You can sell this autonomous reporting service for a high monthly subscription fee. You're not just selling data, you're selling clarity and strategy on autopilot. Your clients wake up to a strategic briefing every morning without having to lift a finger. This positions you as an invaluable strategic partner, not just a service provider, and allows you to charge premium prices for a service that runs itself. So let's bring it all together. In 2025 and beyond, robots aren't taking your jobs. They are waiting for you to give them jobs. They are working for you. By understanding and implementing Agentic AI, you're not just staying ahead of the curve, you're building the curve. You can become the digital boss, the conductor of an orchestra of autonomous agents. By setting up your very own Agentic AI agency today, you have the blueprint now. The opportunity is massive, and it's right here, right now. Don't just watch the future happen, build it. If you want to dive deeper and get more guides like this, make sure to subscribe to our Decoded Log channel right now. Thanks for watching.